Okay, just a heads up, this entire video has a huge fingerprint on the lens, and I'm so sorry, and I know it's going to be a lot of the comments, so I didn't want to not put the video out, so here it is. Enjoy it, enjoy the fingerprint, and everything else that goes on. What is up, guys? It's been a busy couple weeks with me going drifting, and then also starting as an instructor at the School of Drift, and also helping maintain the cars at the School of Drift. So I have been very busy. But I've been learning a lot, I've been driving a lot, and the weather in the Northwest has been fantastic. So no complaints for me. I'm fucking super happy. Today is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to get my car. I did an oil change in the car yesterday. I'm going to mount some tires today. There was a local kid here in Salem that passed away. He rode like stunt bikes. That's not how he passed away, but he did pass away, and they're holding a memorial for him. And I made like one of his friends, this girl, she wanted like a memorial video made, so I made that, and it's gonna be playing at this memorial where they're doing like a stunt show. So everybody's gonna come out on their bikes and do a stunt show. They wanted me to bring my car out, so I'm gonna go get the car. I'm gonna bring it back down to Salem, and we're gonna do some donuts, or I don't know, some figure eights, or something to make the people there excited. Maybe drift around some guys doing wheelies on stunt bikes. That would be cool. Not really sure how it's gonna work yet. Justin Harding's back in town. I'm gonna go meet him at Park right now. He's meeting me at Park. He's gonna take the trailer, and I'm gonna take the wheels and tires. So yeah, I'll be there in like a little bit. Alright, car's all loaded. Justin's taking the trailer. There's his huge truck. This truck's badass, honestly. And then I got some wheels and tires. I feel like I didn't get mounted. Honestly, I need a truck like Justin's. Look how much better this looks. My stupid truck. Shit is ballin'. Alright, so one of my last pit stops before going to this event is picking up Raven and Olive. And I'm gonna grab some fuel for the car right here, and some coffee, and we'll be at the track. and the video's over, and I forgot to film an outro, so this is the outro. Thanks for watching. Peace.